Hello viewers, welcome back to this channel. On today's episode, on the latest site updates in the most sought after terrace duplexes, I'm talking about Citadel Oasis, that very estate facing the Lagos Charterhouse school. If you are yet to buy into this project, I'm calling you out for the very last time because this project is almost gone. Right now, we still have some units of the 2-bedroom terrace that comes with a BQ. We have 4-bedroom and we have a 3-bedroom terrace as well selling in here. So if you need any of this and you want a proper functioning estate, I believe that you have seen a couple of videos about this project, but I'm here to give you site update. I'm here to show you what we have done. If you need any of this unit, this is your perfect time to buy into this project because we are almost sold out. Okay, so I urge you to watch this video till the very end so that you can see what is going on in Citadel Oasis as of today. Sometime last year, this estate was just a bare land, and within a year, this is what we have been able to pull through. So watch the video to the very end and don't forget to tap on your subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever we drop updates on this channel. My name is Joanne of Joanne Homes Realty, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate, landed properties, and short-term real estate investment. So do well to tap on that subscribe button and watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to like and share. Enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you shortly. You can see that over here we have given a demarcation between this unit and this unit. My last video, this wasn't here. Citadel Oasis is gradually taking shape, and very soon we're going to be handing over keys to our various subscribers. So if you are yet to make your decision, make sure you watch this video to the very end because you're going to be seeing a lot. And I believe that after you've seen that, you're going to make your decision quickly before all the units are gone. So these are more section of the 2-bed terraces. Okay, I'm going to be taking you to the 3-bed and we are also going to get down. I just want to give you a closer view. You can see that POP work is being done inside of each of these units. We have fixed windows. We have done this interlocking here. We've also done it on the other side. Okay, so I want to show you this closely. Then I want us to step into this. Let's see what is in here. You must have seen it, but let's see it again. So this is your kitchen. Okay, now let's get upstairs. This is a 2-bed, but before we go upstairs, this is what the back looks like. Remember I mentioned that the 2-bed has a BQ, so this is what your back space looks like. Okay, you're going to be having this demarcation here between you and your neighbor. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So this is your BQ. It comes with a BQ. This is what the BQ looks like. Okay, so let's get back into the 2-bed. So your BQ is outside of your building. It has nothing to do with your building. So whoever that you want to give this BQ will have access to this BQ from the back here, or the person can also have access to it from here. But if you lock this door, the person can't have access to your house. The person will have to access the BQ from the back here, and the person will get to the BQ. So let's go upstairs. So like I mentioned, it's a 2-bed. Okay, it comes empty, we're here to fix. There's going to be a glass here, we're here to do that. And there's going to be glass here too, we're here to do that. Okay, so this is your family lounge, and this is your master's. This is the master's bedroom here. I've actually gone into these rooms a couple of times, but I'm just doing this for somebody that will come across this channel for the first time. Okay, do well to request for the sample unit. I'll gladly share that. So let's keep going. So these are the apartment sections. You can see that we have done plastering. We've started plastering both outside and inside of the apartments. So these are the apartment sections. So let's go upstairs and see. So if you bought into the apartments, we are in the apartments. Okay. So let's view this. This is a kitchen. You have this here. So this is going to be like a balcony. So this is your living room. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. So we are currently in a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's see others. So for you to access the apartment, you can actually come in through this angle or this angle. But I believe that the people on the left wing, they have their stairs. The people on the right wing, they have their stairs. But whichever way you want to go, if you pass through here, you're still going to get into your apartment. If you pass through here, you will still get into your apartment. So these are another apartments. I believe it's also a 2-bed. So this is a living room. I love the fact that this living room has the balcony thing. It's lovely. This is one of the rooms, and this is another room. So this is actually a 2-bed apartment, and this is what is going on in the apartment section. Thank God I walked up here because I've actually not toured the apartment before. So it's still 2 beds apartment, because that was actually what we sold, and that still goes up. So let's get down and see updates on the other sections. So this is what the outside of the apartment looks like. That place we just came out from, this is what the outside looks like. Okay, this is your car space. This is where you park your cars. Okay, so let's keep going. Don't forget to tap on your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you stay updated whenever we drop updates on this channel. Thank you. Do well to like, share to your uncle that needs an affordable duplex terrace in here in Adesanya, Aja, Lagos. This estate is just 2 minutes away from the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. Yes, if you don't want to go through the Lekki Expressway, we are even much closer to the Coastal Road than the Lekki Expressway. Yeah. So you see that we are doing the interlocking work on this section. The interlocking work is going on here on this section. So a whole lot is happening on site. Workers on site. Work is in progress. So what are you waiting for? We have few units for you. Either the 2-bed, the 3-bed, or the 4-bed. Just call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and we'll take it off from there. So this is what we're trying to do here. Put the interlocking stones for beautification. Okay? Work is in progress here. I would like us to step into that one and see. Wow, we are doing the screeding. Interesting. So this is a 3-bed. It's a 3-bed. 1 room downstairs, 2 rooms up. This is a 3-bed. See what we are doing. Fortunately, I can't go up because work is in progress. So do well to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen to buy into this project. Smart investors, on this section, the end part of the Citadel Oasis, work is in progress. Okay, we are lifting another unit. More units are coming up. Okay, you can see that work is in progress. These are workers on site, and this is more units coming up in here, standing already, yet to be roofed. Okay, some are being roofed. Yeah, but we're yet to do POP and we're yet to fix doors and windows. Okay, so keep watching. Don't forget to tap on your subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell. Okay, so this is it. This is the site update in here. I'm actually at the end part. This is actually the end part of Citadel Oasis. Because that's the perimeter fence in there. So this is what is going on this side. Don't wait till all the units in this estate are gone and you'll regret why you didn't make your decision quickly. Okay, this site update should give you that clear whatever you've been waiting for to either buy into this project. Okay, so call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen ASAP. Welcome back, viewers. That actually brings us to the end of the site updates in Citadel Oasis. You have seen that we are still working and a lot of units are being worked on. We have done tiles, we have fixed windows, we have fixed doors in most of the units, and we are still doing that in some of the units. You were also opportune to see the site updates on the apartment section. Okay, so if you want to buy into this project, don't forget that we still have 2-bedroom terrace that comes with a BQ, 3-bedroom terrace and a 4-bedroom in here in Citadel Oasis. Like I mentioned earlier, if you buy into this estate, you are closer to the coastal road than the Lekki-Ebe Expressway, because from here to the coastal road is just a 2-minute drive. I have tried it before, so I'm giving you facts. Okay, so don't forget to tap on your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell till I come your way again. Compliments of the season. Enjoy your day. I will see you on my next one. Bye.